Good morning. In case you haven't noticed, I do like to talk about 18 USC 795, and I don't care if anybody watches or not. I like talking about it. If you like listening to it, great. If you don't like listening to it, then don't watch the video. It's as simple as that. We're going to talk about Zhao Qianli, I guess. I don't know how to say that still. Blue Bacon brought Zhao Qianli up. Blue Bacon used it in a slightly different context. Blue Bacon said that Zhao Qianli was convicted, and he was not convicted. He did plead guilty to one count of photographing defense installations. And I speculated at the time as to why he might have pled guilty. But I missed something integral to this. And what I missed was that this is two separate things. There is an air station and there is an installation that is located on an air station. And we'll get into that. But today I was thinking about it and I'm like, you know what? There is a Pacer link to it. And I'm wondering, they've got this Pacer link to it. Maybe I can see stuff. And I can see stuff. I spent 40 cents to view this page. This page does, in fact, confirm that there was a plea agreement right down here on February 6th of 2019. There was a plea agreement entered. But I can't see everything. You'll see that docket entry number 2 is restricted/sealed until further notice. And there is an additional attachment that is also restricted, unredacted. Because it's unredacted, it's restricted. So the court has sealed it as well. These aren't. The court is not making them into top secret, secret, or confidential information. The court is merely saying that they're not available to the public. Now, I would posit that the reason why they are restricted on the court system for download is because that they do in fact contain top secret, secret, or confidential information. But we don't know. However, I did spend another 60 cents on downloading the PDF, this right here. This is the indictment. And the grand jury charged that he was present in the South District, Florida, on Naval Air Station Key West, the Truman Annex, Joint Interagency Task Force South. Joint Information Agency Task Force South is located on the property of a naval post and is administered and secured by the Department of Defense and is a subordinate command of the United States Southern Command, which is responsible for security cooperation, military operations in Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. So if we go back to 18 USC 795, the president defines it, and the executive order, where the president actually, in his definition, says it has to be designated top secret, secret, confidential, or restricted. We know that restricted doesn't apply anymore. And it has to be located within, the indictment says it's located within a post, but it's actually within an air station? Naval air station, yeah. So either way you slice it, either it's in an air station or it's in a post, but it is located within. So we're tracking pretty well right there. So count 1 is that he went upon and entered GITF South, the federal military installation, in order to record, and willfully did video record a defense installation. And remember, they're charging with the filming of JIATF South, not the filming of the Naval Air Station. What do they call it? Naval Air Station Key West. So they're charging him with filming the installation, not the air station. And count 2, another incident of him filming JIATF South. Count 3, another incident of him filming JIATF South. Count 4 is another incident of him filming JIATF South. 5 is an incident of him filming JIATF South. And 6, the final one, is filming JIATF South. He is not charged one time with filming the Naval Air Station Key West. That is not a charge. So I think that, again, furthers the argument that filming the base is not the crime. It's filming the installation that is located within the base that is the crime. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.